is we're going to be going from clean to dirty, back to clean again. Now, I'm going to do one clean scale and then one clean and dirty scale in the same key, just so that you can warm your voice up and get the feel of where it's placed clean, and then going up and going up into dirty just at the top. Now, when we're going up dirty at the top, we want to feel that we've got that dog growl sound. It's distorting up there, not compressing the chords together, okay? As we go up high through the scale, let the sounds go further and further back until we're nearly getting that what we call crossover, harder or dirty voice up toward the top. Let's start down really low here though, okay? We're going to go, it's your turn, clean, and then starting and finishing clean, a little bit dirty towards the top, a little bit more volume towards the top, a little bit more support, but let the vocal cords distort here. We don't want to compress them. I'll do it again. It's your turn. Clean. It's your turn. Dirty. It's your turn. Clean. It's your turn. Bit more support toward the top. It's your turn. Let's do some together here, ads. Let's go clean, dirty. Let's do about 4 or 5 together. Let's go. Clean, me and you. It's going dirty toward the top. It's clean. It's clean. Going dirty toward the top. Start and finish clean. Putting those sounds to the back of the head here, okay? So as I said before in your class, we're getting the sound distorting where the uvula is. That's where we're feeling it distort. It's going back. Clean. Dirty toward the top. Me and you, clean. Clean. Dirty toward the top. I'm going to go by semis here for the next couple because we're in the business end here. Okay, we want to let the sound start to go back more, that blended voice. It's your turn. It's your turn. Together, let's do it together. Clean. It's dirty. It's clean. It's dirty. We'll go one more. Clean. Dirty. So coming back down, make sure you're supporting. All my sound is going back up there. Now we did this in the class. Make sure you're supporting with your stomach. If you're feeling that you're a little bit husky, what I want you to do is I want you to just go and do the clean version toward the top 3 or 4 where you're getting a bit of disturbance in the chords. But if you're feeling okay, go up and as I said, alternate one clean, one dirty. If you feel that you're hitting a really good vein of form as well, so you can reverse it just toward the top. Just go and do the top couple just all dirty if you feel that you want to do that.
Yeah.